Oh my god, guys! Shh. Okay, you can actually be a guest, guys. Guests are not gone. If you ask your friend's password for Roblox, you log into it and then log out. Tell them to change their password. And if you try and log in again, it says it's wrong. Just see, let me show you. Oh my god, my mouse. My mouse. She working, my man. Start working, my man. Scrolling up. Okay, guys, my mouse is really annoying me. Sorry. Who cares? Oh my goodness. Okay. 1 second, guys. Okay, there we go. My mouse is somehow working now. See? It says your username and password is incorrect. You don't need an account to play on Roblox. Play as guest. It works. You're a guest, guys.
2018.
Guys, I think guests are back. I think they've always been
Let's
back.
try to play.
Wait, let me try and zoom out. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me.
We just discovered something.
Let's see if I try to play like Meep City or something. Oh my god, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? No! Roblox! Why'd you do this?
Guests are gone.
Guests are actually gone, but guys, you can still wait. Wait. Hold on. I feel like guests are still here though.
Fail.
Fail video! So yeah. But I have something else I want to show y'all. If I could. Where'd my cam go? Guys, my webcam just randomly disappeared. But that's alright, I guess. I don't really know. But
This is hilarious.
this is so like ugh.
Typical Epic Games is my account. Go follow him.
Hey, look, this is me. So beautiful. Let me get on Jailbreak. This is not playing Jailbreak.
She had to log into my account to be able to do Jailbreak stuff, and then I didn't change my password, so she won't hack me.
Please never do that again. Oh my god, I hate my mouse. Stop. Mouse! Stop!
Bravo! Gustos. Yeah, I'm not Spanish. I just know like one word.
So let me join the pros.
Pros is made by me. The coolest guy.
Finally.
Wanna join us?
Uh-huh. Okay. So guys, I saved up just for this. I know I'm gonna be back to $0, but I worked so hard. So I've been wasting 2 of my hours waiting for the bank to open so I can rob the bank. And I've done that so many times. I am at $16,338.
I gave her 2,000 and she literally non-stop robbed the bank.
I also robbed the jewelry store for once, but that was really hard. I didn't do it though.
Yeah, I did.
Because
I
tried at first, but I almost died. So, guys, let's go get the car. If y'all are not knowing where this is, you know the city where you go to the bank? There. If you keep going down that area, you see this weird gas station thingy. And if you see that weird gas thingamabob, there's a car. It's yellow, it's fast, it makes really weird noises.
It's like
like a bee. And guys, if y'all want to get that, save up to 16K. or even more than that, because if you just save up to 16K, you won't really have any money left. I'll only have $338, but I'm fine with that. So yeah.
I just stole your pizza. Sorry, I'm just hungry.
I don't care. Okay. So I'm gonna go get a car so I can drive there, so I don't have to run all the way there. So yeah.
I feel like you ate this. Did you?
No. Probably not. I think. I'm just kidding. I don't. I didn't. I'm sorry about the webcam problems that have been happening. First day it wasn't loading in. Second day the same thing. It wasn't loading in. Now that my mouse isn't really working that well, it's starting to glitch.
And it like disappeared.
Yeah, it just disappeared. And y'all know you just saw me in the first part.
I think it's
Hey, look, it's an alien climbing a building. Oh wow.
Which is naked. I think it's actually still on because if you like watch the recording, maybe it's still there. Or maybe it's just your computer that's glitching. I don't know.
Maybe. Wait, where's the gas thingy? I think I just passed it.
I can sound like a girl. Hello.
Yeah, her, him, his. Sorry, grammar problems right now. Hashtag grammar problems.
It's because I sounded like a girl for a second, like you're like mixed up right now.
Yeah, I'm so confused.
Yeah, like, he. I called you a he.
Oh yeah. That was really awkward, guys. Let me just find it. Hey, come here.
Don't try to sound like me.
Come here. Where is it? Which street do I have to go down to? Oh, this is so.
You're punished, and so I'm not telling you because you called me a shy.
Sorry. Oh, it's this hall. Okay, guys. Y'all are the ones experiencing this with me. No one else is. It's just me, you guys, and my friend here. So this is the moment. This is the moment. So this is a car. Oh my god, what the heck? It's 16.
Okay, I'll count down 3, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, 3, 2.
Wait, my mouse is stuck.
Oh.
Shoot! Really? No! Wrong
In the middle of a good time!
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1.
one.
Buy that car!
Woo! We did it! Look how fast this is, guys, though. It doesn't look very fast right now, but once you get going. Oh my god, dude, this is so fast right now.
It went fast when
I just got stuck in a tree. No! No! Ugh. Wow. Okay, got it. You just have to press V when that happens.
Hashtag tree crashes.
I was about to crash in there again. Okay.
It's so weird, like when you're not driving, you go through them, but when you're driving, you can't.
Yeah, like when you're just walking or running.
I like hate that, like.
Oh, there's the train. Okay, I'm gonna edit my.
I've like robbed a train like 2 times in my whole life.
I've never actually robbed the train. Because I've never got a chance to get on it, which is sad.
It's actually really hard because there's always glitches. Like, it's hard. I think they fixed that because it was a long
Oh my
time.
god, why am I glitching so much? Guys, help me. I'm so glitchy.
Oh shoot. Oh, Galaxy, man. Galaxy, typical I am. Oh, my name is Max. Y'all saw that.
Come on, mouse. Stop glitching.
Hashtag mouse glitching. Yeah, that was it.
Mouse glitches. Guys, I really wish I can hit this and something would happen.
Wait.
Oh, it's working a little bit. Come on, unglitch. Frost. Exit garage. Oh god, I'm stuck in the garage. I hate it when this happens. This happened to me today. It was pissing me off. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Did not mean to say that. I will cut that out. If I can, I don't know how though.
I know how.
Can you please cut that out for me?
Yeah, but it doesn't work on PC, sadly.
Are you kidding me right now? Okay. Woo! Guys, we did it! We did it! Dora. Okay, so let's see what we can do with our lives right now. Rob the bank! Well, I deserve $1,000 right now. So.
No.
Ah, excuse you.
Oh, I thought you meant for me to give you.
No, not you. I said I'm gonna go rob the bank for it. But I need a key card.
Barb, or what? Coming.
We're on his private server, so see, this time I called you a he. Bala! Yes! Yes, children! How may I help you? Parents these days,
Yeah.
they can't hear
It
anything.
can be annoying sometimes. Like, remember that reality show? That when your parents just call you and you say yes, and then they say apartment again?
Oh my god.
Parents just call your name, and then you say yes, and no answer. Like,
I'm like, boy, don't you hear me sing?
boy, what do you want from us? What the heck? Oh, sorry. I almost said the H word. I'm so sorry. I meant heck. So, heck to the no, heck to the no, heck to the she's a girl. He good. Okay, yeah, that was him. I'm gonna throw this sauce in your face. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if they can see that because the webcam is not working.
Okay, I'm on
We have a dog, right?
Yeah, totally.
Let me get him. It's actually my dog.
Bad. 1 sec, guys. I don't yix on you. It's actually my dog. Oops.
Got him.
Here, buddy. That's my dog.
I know. Like, shh. Don't make me put you in the room again. Okay. Okay. Come on. Yeah, he was barking too much. But it's also like my dog. We like share it, but it's mostly yours. So yeah.
Way too many. It's like
Oh, he's scratching the door.
Bad. Alon, گفتم یک ثانیه وایسیا. No, the bank is open. I need a key card.
Shh. Be quiet, little guy.
Who cares? Bye.
I'm gonna hit him. 3, 2, 1. I'm kidding.
If you hit him, I would have hit you.
R-U-D-E.
Guys, my mouse is stuck again.
Shut up, doggy.
So bye. Love y'all. Subscribe, comment, and like my videos.
Bye.